In this video, I want to show you how do I carry my Brompton ups and downs in the escalator. And for that, I came to this marvelous mall called Shopping Leblon. They have a lot of installations celebrating springtime. Yes, it just arrived.
One thing I want to show you. Look how good. So beautiful, isn't it? I love it.
Well, the way that I prefer to carry my Brompton is like this. With the handlebar sliding out. Sometimes I do place the Velcro here because it makes it easier to carry. And with the extended wheel on, because it makes it much easier. Look at it. Let's go up. It fits right on it. I don't even have to hold it, you know. That's one more reason that I like the pack. Oh, look from the top. So beautiful, love it. Watch out, because sometimes you see it goes like this, so that's what you have to watch out for. You have to put it in the right place. Going up is so easy, but going down you have to pay a lot of attention. Let's go down one more time. Sometimes this happens and it's dangerous. That's why I always wait when there's nobody in the stair, or at least there's a big distance between me and the other person. To go downstairs, I prefer to use it like this, because then I'll have the grip here. Let me show you. It's much easier to go this way, and go a little bit forward, and that's it. So you're still holding it. Beautiful, isn't it? It's simple. So, those are the two ways I like to go up and downstairs. Pretty easy, but different from up to downstairs. I think upstairs is very simple, but when you go downstairs, you have really to take care of the details so it won't fall down. So, this is my favorite way to carry my Brompton when it start getting crowded. See so many people now? Just put a Velcro here to hold your wheel to the frame, so you can put your seat post higher and it won't open. So that's the best way to carry when it start getting crowded. So 13:06, my family is waiting for me so we can have lunch. If you did like it, I've been wanting to show you this for such a long time, I know it's very simple, but when I started using my Brompton, I had such a hard time to go upstairs, downstairs, and those little tips help so much. I hope you did like it. If you did like it, thumbs up. And if you didn't subscribe yet, please do. Ready? Oh, the little bell. Yes, the little bell. And let's go up.